Hello, you guys. It has been such a long time since I've done a YouTube video, so I'm really excited. We're gonna do a little week in my life. Excuse the mess behind me. It's December 27th, so 2 days after Christmas, and my room's a mess. But if you're new here, hello, my name is Rachel, and I am a first year, third grade teacher, and I am so excited to be on break this week. So I'm gonna take you along with me on everything that I do, and I'm super excited. The first thing that we're gonna do is pick out an outfit. Right now I have on my pajamas, just this t-shirt, and then these cozy pants. It is like really nice outside for it to be December. I'm from North Carolina, and it is, I think, like 71 today, so I'm here for it. So it is hard though to pick out what to wear, because I'm like, do I wear leggings or yoga pants and just a t-shirt? Yesterday I wore leggings and a t-shirt and kind of got hot, but today I think I'm gonna do just yoga pants and a t-shirt. So I'll show you whenever I get it on. Okay, I'm dressed and I'm ready. I have on this wrinkly shirt from college, but it's like my favorite, so, and I like the color. It's pink. And then, oh gosh, fun fact about me is I never untie my shoes. I just slip them on. So I'm putting on my Ultra Boosts. And then I have on just yoga pants. So we are all ready, and now we're gonna go to lunch with my dad and my brother. I'm not sure where we're going yet. We also might be going and running my mom some lunch because she is like working this extra job today. So we'll see where we go. All right, it has been a little while later. It's now 3:21, and it feels so late to me. I feel like it's like 5 o'clock because it gets early. It gets dark so early. But anyways, I am gonna clean my room. I have my Christmas presents, like I showed you all kind of earlier, all over the place. So I love watching these little time-lapse videos. We're gonna do a time-lapse of me kind of putting my presents away, and yeah. Okay, don't judge me for how dirty my room is because I have to put all this stuff up, but cue the time lapse. Okay, we're actually about to go pick up a Jeep for my brother or for my dad or somebody. So we're gonna resume this when I get back. My dad, this is kind of gross now, watered down Coke, but my dad flips Jeeps, and so we're actually selling my brother's Jeep, and I think gonna get another one to flip, but I'm this for my brother, I don't know. But I'm gonna pull my drink out because it is gross now. Coke is my drink of choice. Comment down below, what is your drink of choice? Me and Brett both, I feel like we always get Coke or Pepsi somewhere. So let me know. Here's my puppy. And he's definitely not like actual puppy. He's 10, but look at him. His sweet face. Oh yes, that feels nice. He's got his Christmas collar on. Bye, buddy. Okay, we just got home and my dad got the Jeep, so that's exciting. But anyways, now time to finish cleaning off all my Christmas stuff. All right, my bed is all cleaned off. Also, the reason this lamp, wow, it looks so like empty behind me, but this lamp is on the ground because I moved like my other nightstand and I'm looking for a new one, and I just don't want to like buy anything, so that's why that's on the ground. But my bed is all cleaned off. All my stuff is put away. I think now I need to bring some bags upstairs. I'm just gonna tidy up my room a little bit. So we're just gonna like skip through all this because it's kind of the boring stuff. So we're gonna skip through everything and then I will catch y'all later. I'm not really sure what our plan is for tonight. It's 5:23. I think I'm hanging out with Brett at some point, but I don't really know when. I also need to eat dinner. And I think I'm just having leftovers from last night. So we will see. Alrighty, so I've cleaned up my room for the most part and my bathroom. So I'm feeling pretty good about how the room's coming along. Sorry, you can probably hear my dogs barking. But Brett just texted me. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat with him and then just coming home and probably watching TV with my parents. So I'll try to get a clip with Brett at dinner, but if I don't, I will continue this tomorrow. All right, we're at dinner. We're at East Coast. Say hey, Brett. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. It's Tuesday. It's honestly not really morning anymore. It's like 12 o'clock and I'm actually about to run and go have lunch with my dad and my grandma. And then I think my dad are gonna, I think me and my dad are gonna run a couple errands. Like I said, I really need a nightstand and I saw one at Big Lots that I think I want to get because it's not super expensive and I don't really need to spend a whole lot of money on it. So hopefully they still have it. I saw it there a couple of weeks ago and then I just wanted to wait till after Christmas to get it. So I'm gonna run there and get hopefully that nightstand, and then I think I'm just gonna come home and then later me and my mom are gonna go to Target. So we'll see where the day takes us. Hello, you guys. It has been a little bit. It's now 2:23. And I am gonna open this really quick so I can set you down. Me and my dad did not get to go to Big Lots, so I'm actually gonna go with my mom a little later, so I have a little bit of time, and so I figured now would be a good time for me to go through all of my presents that my students got me and kind of put them up. I have like just a bunch of trash, honestly, that I need to just throw away, so I'm gonna do that with this little corner of my room to kind of get that all cleaned up. And then like I said, it's like 2:23. I might go for like a walk or something. It is beautiful outside right now. It's like 70 something degrees. So I'm wearing this shirt from American Eagle. I think I got it from, or no, I did get it from American Eagle. I was gonna say I think I got it from TJ Maxx, but did get it from American Eagle. And then I'm wearing these leggings that my mom and dad got me for Christmas. They are Athleta, and I like that was such a splurge because we never shop at like high brand names for clothes. Like I'm just not that type of person, and I'd rather just go to TJ Maxx and Ross and stuff. So my mom was super sweet and picked out these for me from Athleta, and I love them. They're so nice. So anyways, I'm gonna clean up this little area of my room. I feel like this whole video has been me cleaning, but gotta get ready for the new year. So okay, I have cleaned that up and I just have a couple of things that I'm gonna put up. I got these super cute clips from one of my students, which is so sweet. I am obsessed with these types of clips, so I'm about to put them in my little clip drawer. And then one of my teacher friends got me a bunch of face masks, which I'm so gonna do one tonight. I don't know which one. Maybe honey. I don't know. But, and then I got all my gift cards out just so I can go ahead and put that in my wallet. So, that made perfect. And I already have my scissors out for, I can cut the little tags off. Or the little zip ties, I mean. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go. Look how cute these are. I'm obsessed. Like, so cute. So throw this in the trash. I think I'm gonna go on a walk to kind of just get outside a little bit. I do need to put a load of laundry in the wash though, so let me do that really quick. I forgot to mention I needed to feed my bunny first, and I thought he should make an appearance in the video. Here's Hermie. Here I am, riding my bike. We are about to go to Big Lots to look at the nightstand. Hopefully it's still there. It's been a while. Also, one of my Christmas gifts were York Mints. They're my favorite kind of candy. Oh, that's upside down. And they're in the shape of a snowflake. Here we go. Okay, let's look for it. It was over here and I think I see it. Yes, it's right here. This is the one, this black one. They don't have it. So they didn't have the nightstand at that Big Lots, and then they called a different one. They didn't have it either. So hopefully this other one near our house, a different way, will have it. I'm just gonna try to call them later and see. But I'm so sad. I like hate waiting for things. Oh, look how pretty the sunset is. All right, we're not looking for anything specific in here, but we can always find something in Target. All done. I didn't get a nightstand, but that's okay. Good morning, you guys. It's Wednesday. I just woke up. It's pretty late. So I'm gonna kind of get ready just a little bit, but I think I'm just putting like lounge clothes on because I think I'm just gonna chill at home for most of the day today. So not very exciting day, but I'm gonna go eat some lunch, and then like I said, I think I'm gonna hang out at home for a little bit, and then me and my mom might go shopping or something to look at a nightstand. So we will see, or maybe a mirror because I really want to put a mirror, like a floor length mirror in my room, but we'll see. Alrighty, so I've had a little bit of lunch and now me and my mom are gonna go run some errands. So do a little OOTD right here, just on my bathroom little counter. I have on this retro Nike shirt. It was my brother's. I love it. I have on, oh, you're not gonna be able to see, but these Nikes, and then these leggings are here. I'll show them like this. They're these leggings. Got them off of Amazon. I'll have my Amazon storefront linked below in case you ever want to check out anything that I mentioned in the videos or that I recommend. I have it all there, so definitely go check it out. But let's go. Got us some popcorn. All right, well, sadly, a lot of the boutiques have closed, but here's my mom, and we're just going home now, but it's such a pretty day. It feels so good outside. Here are some pigs. If you're from Lexington, North Carolina, you know about the pigs. All right, I'm home. I'm gonna set up my Fire Stick that I got for Christmas. So my TV is so hard to get like cords and stuff from behind it. So we'll see how fast I can do this. Okay, took a little longer than I was hoping, but could have been longer, so I'm not gonna complain. I have it hooked up, so I'm super excited. I think I'm just gonna like put something on the TV while I like kind of organize a little bit of my room, because did we not think that I was gonna clean my room at all today since I have the last 2 days? Good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday. I kind of stopped videoing yesterday. I went to dinner with my mama and my brother, and then I kind of just hung out at home, so there was really nothing to film. Really not sure what we're doing today either. I really don't think we're doing a whole lot, but I know I want to edit some more of this video that's going to be going up just to save me some time later. Okay, I have changed. I'm wearing this cute shirt. It says the classroom is my happy place. and then just leggings. But I think me and my mom are gonna go to Chick-fil-A. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, and then I think we're gonna go to Walmart. I really want to put a mirror, like a floor length mirror right here. And then I also was just talking to my friend Sarah, and I thought about, instead of getting a nightstand, I could get one of those 4 cube box things, because my only dresser in my room only has I only have 6 drawers. So to be continued, I don't know. But I'm gonna go to Walmart because I know they have the floor length mirror that I want there. So we'll see if I get it. Here is the mirror I think I'm gonna get. I got a mirror. Ignore all of that stuff down there. I gotta clean it up. But I am obsessed. This is where all my new OOTDs are gonna be at. All right, I don't think I've updated you guys in a while, but here is my mirror. I put these lights around it and I think it looks so cute. I think I'm done filming for today, and I actually think I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the video just because I really am not doing anything exciting tomorrow. So, and I feel like I have a lot of content so far. Ignore the junk behind me. That's all stuff that needs to go to Goodwill after cleaning my closet out and everything. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Leave suggestions in the comments of videos you want me to do going into 2022. That rhymed. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and thanks again so much for watching. Bye guys.